Alright, today we're gonna be freaking cleaning my toolbox because I was cleaning my room and I decided arbitrarily that it was time to spray down and wipe down the toolbox. Got my new microphone, so I'm gonna play with that a bit. Nice lavalier microphone. Old wireless, of course, everything has to be wireless. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab my cleaning supplies and I'll be back in just a hot second. Alright, we're back. And now we're going to be using some spray adhesive and mounting uh, freaking Chrysler decals onto the door faces. Now it's looking nice and clean. We have our brand 1500 and 3500 to go along with the 2500 right here. We'll grab our Loctite brand spray adhesive and give her a good shake. Shake, shake, shake. Spider webbing as your spray adhesive does. Nothing to it really, you just gotta sit there and tape it down so the spray adhesive has time to get tacky and hold things in place. Alright, back. Raining as you can hear. Raining pretty good. This spray adhesive, give her a heavy helping. Get it all over your pants like a dumbass. And here I am doing a voiceover here. Here is just me spraying adhesive onto the 1500, I think. No, 3500 one at the bottom. Yeah, just me spraying and taping as you do. Nothing much to it. Really, it's pretty simple. Here's me going through the drawer, grabbing a V8 Magnum badge, mocking up where it should be, taping it, then spraying it to then stick on the box. Here you have me sticking it on the box, pulling out the drawer to get easy access to the underside of the drawer, where the tape ended up needing to go to hold it securely. Now we're thinking about putting a Chevy badge on there, but we don't do that until later. And we have a Ford F-150. I'm like, that won't work. But then I'm like, oh, wait, I have wire dikes. So we just cut those off real good, like tape, 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 lots of tape. Nothing much to it, really. You just got to tape and glue and tape and glue. Spraying that spray adhesive out of frame like a jack wagon. Then you just stick it on real good. Just barely in frame. We'll call that good enough, though. Yeah, it's really all there is to it. And I'll show you the the finished product in the next video. Hopefully it turns out well. Here we have me grabbing the Chevy, not Chevy, what is that? I forget what badge that was. Hmm. Oh, that's a 4x4. I'm arranging the letters and stuff. That's why I was digging through the box for so long. I was digging through my collection of badges. I have more badges to put on the toolbox and ones that'll fit on the top upper drawers. There's me showing you the 4x4, but backwards. But those will wait until another day because I need more setup time, and I didn't really. This was sort of a spur of the moment video, so yeah, nothing much really planned out. I just sort of wiped down the toolbox and decided I'm sticking things to it. But that's kind of how we got to do it. There's me mocking up the Chevy thing, taping it on the wrong side like a dingus, and realizing it's on the wrong side, not wanting to get out the dikes, so just flipping it around, taping it on a different side because that tape had spray adhesive on it and that wouldn't have been easy to take off. Just gonna stick that there and hope it stays. Probably won't, but who knows. Uh, There's me putting on another freaking 4x4 Magnum, no, 4x4 V8 Magnum on the top chest this time to add more badges there because that one's severely lacking badges anywhere aside from the rim. And that about does her. So, like, comment, subscribe for more, and stay awesome, stay creative, and until next time, this has been Nobody. I'll see ya.